In typical all business scenarios, whichever business you are into there, you usually maintain a list of leads who are interested in your business or service. Most of the time, you really need a very effective lead follow-up system where you can follow up with your potential lead. Usually leads are piled up with a lot of leads, and you really need to have effective lead follow-up system where you are able to send email like multiple times, whatever the frequency you have. But most of the time, you or your dedicated team, they just spend a lot of time, or sometimes this system is not so effective. Even if the lead comes over the call, and the goal is that you should be able to whatever you discuss over the call with the lead, again, you need to work on that discussion. You have to get a summary and you have to send a proposal to the lead. The moment if you are able to do all this thing very faster, you are able to nurture lead faster. You are able to really make the lead conversion faster, more money in your account. I'm simply telling very blunt. And this is what I want to show you in this video quick demonstration where I'm using the AI agent system where not your team, but this whole automation which comes with different various agents which will work 24 by 7, which will basically nurture the lead. It will basically send a follow-up email to the lead. And then after follow-up, once you get on a call, it will record the call. And then finally, it will create a good summary plan. So let me show you very quickly this functionality. So what we are going to do is that imagine this is your sheet where you maintain all your lead data. For now, I have just put one record and this is the lead email address. Now the moment when I run this automation, to run this automation, I just need to automation, which means to start the follow-up process with the lead. Hey lead, are you interested? You inquire. I just need to click on this button. That's all. And yeah, I think I do not need this one. Yeah. So what it's going to do is just delete this one so that because this is the later, I mean, so all these boxes is actually done by agent. You do not need to do all these things manually. So what this is going to do is the moment when I run this AI agent automation, what it's going to do is it will basically send follow-up email. So send follow-up start, it will start following up process with your lead. So if I go to over here, by the time the agent runs the lead, in my case, this is the icon, this is the email address of the lead, if you remember, right? So this guy has already received a follow-up email. So I tested earlier as well, but if you see, you can configure how many follow-ups you want. So the moment your AI agent runs, it will send follow-up 1, follow-up 2, follow-up 3, right? And each follow-up will have your, I mean, your basically meeting invite link as well. So this AI agent will keep following up with the lead until the lead books the call. The moment when lead books the call, you can use Calendly or any other app which you are comfortable. So then lead will finally book a call. For example, this is the time lead books the call. This is, I'll just keep name like Dab is the name. This is lead email address. They schedule the event. What happened after the next process? The moment call gets scheduled, what happens is that this checkbox, which means over here, this one, right? It gets tick automatically by the agent. And once this is done, then you hop on a call with your lead. And what happens is that because the call is already logged, so this is the lead machine, right? This is the lead icon. And then you will go to your calendar. You both hop on a call. So I just go to my calendar and I can see over here, right? I think the call was booked for tomorrow, most likely. Yeah. This is call with Deb. I join on Google Meet, whatever you use, Google Meet or Zoom, anything. And this tiny thing comes up, which will basically record the call, whatever you are talking. So once you start the call, and then at the same time, the lead also joins the call. So this is the lead, and lead will go to her calendar, and then you both hop on a call, which is, I will go to over here. This is the invite, and this is how the lead joining. And then once you both, and then once you both are on a call, right? And then simply the lead is talking to you, and then you are listening to the lead. And then, for example, this lead, I'm just giving you example like if you're running a yoga agency or yoga classes, so lead is talking about her problem. Maybe she is not able to sleep well, feeling lethargic. She's looking for some structured plan. And then this is what she discussed over the call, and then the call gets ended. And then after the call gets ended, this AI agent is going to send you at least, I mean, around like after 5 to 10 minutes, is going to send you a personalized plan for the lead. So if I go to my mailbox, right? So which is over here, and then if I go to over here, and then I would be having my, I would say yoga plan for DAB. I So you see over here, this is the plan which came. So everything comes, everything comes by AI agent. You are not doing anything. You have just list of leads there. You have just captured. You just tick the button. It will start automation, and then AI agent will start following up. You hope on a call, and then finally you will have this personalized plan based on whatever your lead discussed in the call. It can be proposal. Here I'm just giving off yoga, but if you are running in consultancy or be it with any marketing agency or any other thing, based on the discussions, this is all created by AI agent. And you see, this is what she was describing on the call. This is her goal. This is where she wants to go. And then this also generates like a kind of uh, weekly plan as well. Even you can put your trial class link as well, where she can book the trial yoga class in this scenario. And there is a payment link as well, QR code. And then after this is done, then right, and then you can even send welcome email as well. So this is everything can be automated. So all we started with very simple is simple list of leads. It can any number of leads. What this AI agent is going to do is that it will start following up with your leads until the lead books the call on Calendly. And once the call gets booked on Calendly, it will not follow up. And then it will wait for you both to get on a call. And then once you both are on a call, you will get a personalized this plan, and you can simply send it to your lead or potential client. So this is the whole in nutshell system. I just want to give you a quick demo. If you are interested to really play around where you want to really see the system actually working demo, just book a call, and then you yourself can be a lead and you can see the system working in front of you, so that this lead doesn't go to any other business. It has come to you. You are able to follow up and close the deal with the lead. That's the goal of this automation, so that it will save your time and more money and more helping you to achieve your vision. So that's what I want to show in this quick demo. I'll just stop the recording. Perfect. And thanks for your time. I'll click over here.